Good morning, student. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. This is the simple interest part 9. Problem is like this: a sum of money invested at a certain rate of interest double itself in 5 years. Sum of money, wherever it is given, we don't know. It is let it be P. Invested at a certain rate of interest. Certain rate of interest. That is nothing but R. Okay, double itself. Double means 2 times. P, if you are investing P rupees, it becomes 2P. If you are investing 50 rupees, it becomes 100. You are investing 5 rupees, it becomes 10. 5 years. T, it's nothing but T. Second line is full stop. In how much time will it be triple at the same rate? So first you have to solve first part till here, then second part. Once the R comes from here, then you will put the R ka value here and you will find the next part. So let sum of money equal to P. Let sum of money equal to P. At you invested at a certain rate of interest, so amount is becoming, so amount equal to double itself. Double itself means 2 into P equal to 2P. Amount becomes 2P. Sum of money is P. Okay, now what will be the SI? SI is always equal to amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. Principal is the money which you invested or borrowed, that is known as principal. Amount is 2P, principal is P. 2P minus P equal to 1P. Okay, 2P minus 1P equal to 1P or P, you can write it P. Okay, 2P minus 1P equal to 1P. 1P bole, P bole, both are the same thing. So what is the SI ka formula? I will do it here. SI equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay, SI equal to P into R into T upon 100. So time, what is the time duration given? T is also given. T equal to 5 years. This was given. So put the value SI in place of SI. What will you write? P. Principal is already P. P की जगह पे P. R is unknown. T is 5 years. 100 is 100. 5 से 5 1 जा 5. 5 20 is 100. 20 is in division. It will go in the cross multiplication. It becomes 20P equal to P into R into 1. Any number you multiply with 1, same number comes. So you have to find out the R ka value. P goes here, so 20P upon P equal to R. P say P cancel, so R equal to 20%. Okay, this is the first part. So certain rate of interest. Now you have find the rate of interest. So in how much time will it be triple at the same rate? Same rate means 20% rate. Same rate means 20% rate. So now the sum triple itself at, now the sum triple itself at 20% rate. Okay, 20% rate के हिसाब से ये 3 गुना हो जाता है in T years. Now you have to find out the in T years. Okay, in T years. So you have to find out the value. So अभी ट्रिपल हो रहा है. Let the principal be P. Same as let principal equal to P. So amount equal to 3 into P. 3P, 3 times हो रहा है. Triple itself means 3 times. R equal to 20%. t equal to, you have to find out, put the values. SI, acha, oh, so you have to find out SI. SI equal to A minus P. What? Amount minus P. So amount is 3P minus P equal to 2P. So SI is 2P. Put the values. SI equal to P into R into T upon 100. So SI, what is the SI का value? SI का value is 2P equal to P into R. R is 20 into T upon 100. 20, 5 is 100. Okay, so 5 will go here, so it becomes 5 into 2P, 2P into 5 equal to P into T. You have to find out T का value, तो P will be transposing on this side, so T equal to 2P into 5 upon P. P से P cancel, T equal to 10. 2 5 is 10. So 10 years is the answer for these questions. Do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much.